into the depth, you know how we go. It's Mecca G's all day, and it's how we go. And you know me, I'm a G to the death, homie. They talking shit, and I'ma leave you on the stretcher, homie. And don't try me, you niggas ain't with it. And I'm the type for niggas to come through and just get it. I got it, I get it, I fit it. You know what, I did it, nigga. I plead the fifth on the foot. You know I did it, nigga. Bleed the block, nigga. With this shit, I'm about to make this paper. You niggas ain't with me. About to knock these haters, knock the haters off, cause you know how I do. And I'ma hit the blunt, nigga, man, the streets out through.
Yeah, alright, so check it now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get my paper, so you better think it now. And I'm in the now, not in the past and now. And if you wanna get it, well, you better get it now. So I'm on the game, trying to flow and get me now. We're about to have to get it and go. It don't really don't matter how much you rule, just get it. I'm a white boy on the flow.
Yeah.
You wanna hear it, I got the check. You wanna hear it, man, listen, man. I don't really wanna hear it because you know you don't know what I'm saying. You wanna say, cause I'm a blood, yes, you. Down with Tyrone. It really don't matter. Hey, you know what it is. And if you want to smoke it good, you know I trade one with you. And if you ain't got shit, man, we just smoking on that too.
Okay, bro with blood, I can see it in the room, the wild gray, nigga, but you know that I'm from the blue, nigga, I say true, no, I'm not new to this, you better realize, nigga, I'm a fool, something like Ludacris, and yeah, you know how we do it on a daily basis, grab your bitch and make them all nasty faces, and you know how we do it, you niggas know I'm stupid, and when I hop on the track, you know I get right to it, and yeah, you niggas know I leak your body fluid. I have you leaking. You niggas talking this market season. You keep talking shit. Well, nigga, don't ever give me your reason. Coming through, you know what it is. My nigga make you leaking and make you leak your blood. You know how we do. No disrespect, bro, but this is what I'm about to do. And you know how we do. You know what we about to get. We on this paper shit, homie. You know I ain't no faking shit. Now go and check me out. Nigga, go and listen to me. And you know I'm that nigga. And about to play a movie. And I'm the movie. Guess who the star is? It's me. You niggas ain't fucking with a fucking OG. And not an original gangster or organized general. Something like zero, but nigga, I stay cold. I stay cold, my heart is ice over. And but no sense to shit, you know what it is, this is over, game over like little flip, down south shit. You niggas ain't with this boy, cause I come with them clips, the full clips and the K's and the bananas and things. Niggas keep talking shit and I'ma rattle your brain. So take your boy out one time on the mic, and I'm that gangster that'll come through and fuck up your whole life, and I'm a gangster till the end of my days. And you niggas can't change me, I'ma change my own way. Yeah.